All right, I am out exploring more of the Muscoot. The only problem is that the water is really low. I scouted out those spots I'd fished below me, or downstream of me, and they're not looking good. This has still got some depth and some current to it. If I could ever untangle myself. Oh, Jesus. This is not starting off good. All right, there we go. So, as I was walking up, I said, well, it's deep, but it's crystal clear. And I don't know as if this is the best setup. I can see fish. I think one is a sunfish, one might be a trout. But I am basically up in their grill already, right here. So I didn't want to walk any further. So I apologize for the weird angle, but it is what it is. We got the magical 10'6" 3-weight, running a 12-pound to 8-pound leader, 5X, starting with a single 14 thread Frenchie. All right, nobody wants a thread Frenchie, huh? I'm pretty sure that's a trout. Small one, but still. It's like 3 or 4 of them sitting right here. Oh man, there's more than 3 or 4. That's a lot of fish. All little guys, but a lot of fish. Probably too much depth, but I can see a bunch of different fish zooming around. Let's try a Pat Weiss Perdigon. And a terrible cast. There we go. Oh, that is not a small fish. Come on, get out of the hole. And he's giving me the business. Ah, got him. Oh, really nice brown. Really nice brown. All right, on the board. That was unexpected. Most of the fish I'm looking at are like 6-inch fish. He's a good 12-inch, 14-inch trout right out in the frog water. You'd love to see it. I hope he didn't blow up that hole. Nope, there we go. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful little brown. That is just a beautiful brown. All right. Frog water stomping with the Pat Weiss Perdigon. The cocaine nose job. This may be the most awkward camera setup. There we go. Oh, quick releaser. Yeah, I hate to see it. All right, none of the fish in front of me are in front of me anymore. After catching 2 and losing 1, they have vacated right in front of me. But I think they just moved up a little bit. All right, I am kind of on top of where I caught that nice brown. That nice brown was like right at the end of my rod tip. But I've seen fish rising out here in this deeper stuff where it dumps in. So yeah, I just blew up where those fish were all sitting, but I couldn't see any more of them anyways. So we're going to invade their home where I think they're at, which is right out there if I could stop beating the living hell out of the water. Bam. Right where I saw them all rising. Another brown, Pat Weiss Perdigon. Another brown. All right, so try that again. Just got a single fly with the small indicator. And then you can see the foam is not even really moving that much. Short little cast and another fish. Another beautiful brown. Pat Weiss Perdigon. Umpqua Feather Merchants has it. I tried to copy what I saw on the website. Boy, he's got beautiful spots. Another beautiful brown. Oh, don't want to hook the camera. All right, what do we got here? All right, so let's try again. No hat trick. Peckerwoods. Well, might have blown it up again. Nope. Gotcha. All right. We've got another brown. Another nice brown. Anybody else home? Yep. What do you got? Sunfish. No, calico bass. Rock bass, something we don't want. Not what we're ordering. Tiny brown. Beautiful. All right, switching up battery. Okay, this looks like a really fishy spot, but with the low flow, I don't know. We'll give it hell. And of course the shade here, I can't even see. Oh, there it is. Just about to say, I can't even see if there's fish in here or not. Clearly there is. Nice brown. Nice brown. All right. So, picked up one out of there, which I'd love to see. Can't even see how my rod is tangled. Let's get back in there. Bam. Another nice little brown. He was out a little bit further. All right, if you Google where trout live, it would be right here. That type of water. So you got this calm pool here, you got that dump in there all the way through, and then you got the calm pool on the other side. So I would expect there to be fish here. If I don't catch them, it's because I suck. There we go. Way over across. Nice brown. Nice brown. All right, so far away over on the other side of the channel was where that fish hit. Which I think I can tight line better if I get up a little bit closer. Okay, there's a bathtub right out here in front of me. I did see a smaller fish spook when I was walking up behind me, but I don't know. It's getting super skinny. So I'm guessing that fish might be hiding wherever they can find some depth. And since there's a branch, I can almost guarantee I catch the branch. Don't know if my depth is right, but it floats in from over there. And boom. Before it even got there. Nice. Nice little brown. Good guy. Nice little brown. Alright, plan worked out. It's right in front of the bush. Nice little seam over there. Coming into the deep water right now. Boom. Oh, nope. Miss. Miss or bottom. Couldn't tell. Alright, out of the tree. Not out of the tangle. One and done? Nope. Another little guy. Pat Weiss Perdigon. Beautiful little wild brown. Beautiful little wild brown. But I believe there should be a couple trout right here. Unfortunately, it's no good place to film from. And there is just shit everywhere. So we will break out the bow and arrow and see what happens. And there we go. Little guy. Nice little brown. Right where he should have been. Another beautiful little brown. All right, let's see if someone else is home. Again, this is shady, but it's a great current and it's got depth, so you should always try it. I mean, it's just a couple of drifts, it ain't gonna hurt, right? And you get rewarded. Still working a single 16 Pat Weiss Perdigon on that last fish. some bow and arrow. Nope. Alright, gonna have to ruin it. Nice little spot right here. Got some depth to it, some current. Worth some drifts. Low hanging branch. Bam. First drift special. Oh, no release. I hate to see it. There we go. He's got some legs. This little guy's a fighter. Oh, he's not such a little guy, that's why. Beautiful. A little bit bigger. Alright. Love to see that. Alright, next battery. Got this nice little chute coming in. I already saw a fish rise up there. But I've been picking up fish and stuff like this downstream, so I don't know if my depth is right, and I know that tree's got my name on it, but we'll see how this goes. If I can ever get this thing untangled. Alright, there we go. Now, still got that single 16 Pat Weiss Perdigon olive colored. Putting on the small airlock indicator. And then hopefully got some cooperative trout. Nope, don't want that. Alright, here we go. I don't know if that's bottom, that's fish. And first drift special again. Love to see it. Little brown trout. Beautiful little guy. All right. Probably going to be my best cast was that first one, because it is dicey. Can't really hum the thing. Because of that branch. Really smacking the hell out of the water too. Bam! Little guys don't care. Tiny little guy. Just beautiful colors. All right, two banger. Two. All right, that's better. 3. He's a little bit bigger. Four. Oh, quick release. They're getting too cocky. I'm not calling it. 4. No release on number 4. All right, let's get back in there. Ooh, swing and a miss. That's number 5. Number 6. All right, where I just pulled all those fish out of is right there. So I got all these trees in front of me here. I really wanted to tight line. This was where I saw the fish rising right out in front of me, which is where I really wanted the tight line, but I don't know. We'll try it. And then, ow, if I can't get a good drift, I'll just plop the indicator over there in that foam. They've shown that they don't really care that an indicator plops all over their grill, so we'll see. Alright, what do I got for room here? Nothing. Looks like it's gonna be straight bow and arrow city. I'm expecting fish to be right out here in front of me. And maybe a little bit further over. Right down the middle there. Boom! Watch out for the tree. Come on, buddy, get out of the hole. Got a little closer to the water after that fish, so I had to really reach to keep him in the water. So let's see, anybody else home up there? Damn. Well, they like this spot. Finally. I'm not going to do a release video on him. He took black Walters. I was going to say, if I didn't catch a fish in this hole, jeez.